living area. As you can see, the living area is designed in a very... So this is your kitchen. As you can see, the flooring is going to be your master bedroom, or as you may call it. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the actual sample flat tour of Vora 1C by Vora Property Developers Private Ltd. The project is located in Kanattur, East Coast Road, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. But before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project. And as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, and this behind me is your marketing office, and the land parcel is only a few minutes away from here. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. Coming over to the project overview. So, Vora 1C project is spread across an expansive 11.06 acres of land parcel. And the project comprises of 4 residential towers, and it is designed with combined basement plus tilt plus 41 floors. And the total number of units in this project is 1039 premium homes. Vora 1C offers 2 BHK, 3 BHK sea view apartments. Now, coming over to the amenities part, the project offers premium amenities such as a grand clubhouse which is 40,000 square feet. Then there is a swimming pool, fitness center, sky amphitheater, an exclusive sea view cafe, landscape parks, natural pond, and many more. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Kanattur, East Coast Road, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And as you can see behind me, this is the route connectivity of the area. Now, the nearby landmarks, the Maya Jal Multiplex is only 3 minutes away from here. Marina Mall 15 minutes away, and the Dakshin Chitra is 5 minutes away. MGM Disney World is also only 5 minutes away. Hello everyone, so now I'll be giving you the actual sample flat tour for Vora 1C residence, and that is for 2 BHK. The configuration is 1112 square feet. Let's enter. Now, as we enter, we first have a huge door which again comes with proper lock systems. So if you want, you can add your password there or change the design however you like. And then this corner is going to be your living area. As you can see, the living area is designed in a very cozy type of unique style. So you can place your comfortable couch there, your TV this corner, proper lightings given in the entire room. You have your AC unit, your fan unit also placed in the house. Then your living room also comes with a huge window system. So it gives you a good amount of direct ventilation source right next to your couch. Now, the entire house is also properly done vitrified floorings, if you may notice. Coming to the next corner, if you can see, the center of your house has been given the square-like shape. So you can place your dining area over here, or if you want, you can turn that as per your wish. And because lightings have been done, you can add a lot of, you can accessorize your house based upon your wish. And then right in your dining area, you are going to have your attached balcony. As you can see in your balcony, you have the railings done properly. So this is for your safety reasons. And again, this gives you direct access exactly outside of your house, which will give proper amount of ventilation, lighting, so you can add your flower pots, your chairs, however you choose to. Now, moving forward to the kitchen, if you notice that the kitchen has been designed in such a way that it is close to your dining area. So this is like an open kitchen type of thing. If you want, you can turn this thing to your open kitchen as well. So this is your kitchen. As you can see, the flooring that has been done and given to the kitchen also is a very unique style and different type of flooring. And each side of kitchen also has electric units placed, so you can add your fridge on this corner, you can add your extra oven, and your exhaust fan can also come here with the electric units right below your grill. Then you have your wash basin and enough storage units because of the height ceiling. Now the other part of the kitchen can be divided if you want to. This can be turned into your utility area. So you can add another wash basin on this side. You can add your washing machine on this side. You have your electric unit placed, and right in front of that you have your window again for good amount of ventilation source and sunlight. Now we will be moving to our first bedroom, but before that you will have your powder room here, or you can call this your common washroom, which will be right in front of the center of the house. So you can use this as your common washroom for your guest or however you like. If you can see, the mirror there has an activation system. When you on, the lightings can be turned on. Electric unit is there for your washroom appliances. The flooring is done well. And you also have an exhaustion fan that will be coming on that side, and you will have your long window systems as well. Now right close to that, this is going to be your first bedroom. So as you can see, your first bedroom again is a very cozy like design. So you can turn this into your kids room or your guest room as well. You have your AC unit there, you have your fan unit given there. So everything is placed in a perfect way. You have electric units as well, and on this corner of the room you have your window, which gives you direct access like your balcony's view. So if you want, you can place your TV as well here as per your choice. Now, before we enter into our second bedroom, or the master bedroom as you may call it, let's quickly understand what Housey exactly does for you. As soon as you go to Housey's website, you will find the project overview, the location, the amenities, and we actually give you actual location tours of the project. You will find the pros and cons of the project. You will find EMI, down payment options, exclusive pricing details. Not just that, but we also on our website show you a 360 virtual tour of the project, and if you wish to come for a site visit, schedule it, which is completely free. You can click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, or you can go to www.housey.com for more information. Let's get into the other room. So this is going to be your master bedroom, or as you may call it, your second room. And as you can see, this room as well, you have your AC unit, your fan unit, and your other electric units placed on each corner. Now this side of the room is going to again have your window, and as you can see, the window here as well gives you direct viewpoint like your attached balcony. And then that corner of the room is going to be your TV, has proper electric units. You also have your wardrobe system. You can place it that side, or you can design it however you wish to. Now, the other side of the room, which is of course, it has an attached washroom. Now this comes with proper flooring done. You have your ventilation corner on the other side of your washroom, and you have your shower system given. So if you want, you can add a partition glass to that, enough space for you to design your washroom however you like. You have your electric unit placed, and your again activation system in the mirror to design it with the lightings or however you like. As you can notice, the tiling in the washroom also is very unique and different with proper lightings. So everyone, this was the actual sample flat tour for Vora 1C Residences for 2 BHK. Hope you liked the walkthrough. For more such amazing walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.